With the new OMRON-IntelliSense AFib technology, every blood pressure check now automatically screens for atrial fibrillation, a heart rhythm disorder common in individuals with hypertension, increasing stroke risk by 5 times. Early intervention of AFib can reduce stroke risk by up to 66%. So let's walk through how to properly take a reading at home. Before getting started, refrain from smoking, consuming caffeine, or exercising, as these can affect your results. It's important to take your readings in a calm and quiet environment with a table and chair. Sit upright with your legs and arms at a 90-degree angle and your feet flat on the floor. Firmly wrap the cuff around your arm with your palm facing up. Press start and remain still and silent for 30 seconds while the cuff inflates and your reading is taken. Once it's done, you'll see your results displayed. If possible AFib is detected, it's important to consult your doctor immediately for further evaluation. With the OMRON Connect app, you can easily sync and review your readings at any time or share them with your doctor. Discover more with each blood pressure check from OMRON.